Unknown facts about your brain. Most people know that our brain is the most essential part of our body. It is responsible for our ability to think, express, feel, etc., as well as our ability to breathe. The brain also helps us develop our sense of self and personality. Here are some lesser known facts about the brain. The brain can predict the future. Apparently, there is a midbrain dopamine system, MDS, that sends signal to the rest of the brain about non-occurred events. Maybe it is what we know as intuition. Teenagers' brains are not fully formed. Contrary to popular notions that the brain gets fully developed by the age of 5, even when children enter their teens, their brains are not fully developed. The grey matter of the brain develops just before puberty, and massive development changes occur in the frontal lobes, which are responsible for decision making. However, the parts of the brain responsible for multitasking do not mature until the age of 17. In fact, teenagers do not feel either empathy or guilt, but only learn by socializing with others. The brain is more active while sleeping. It is always said that a good night's sleep is important for a human being, but nobody knows the main reason behind it. During the day, our brain does lots of activities which need to be remembered, so a good night's sleep is the best way to remember all that work done throughout the day, as it also helps to stabilize our memories. Many scientists believe it is a way to enhance the emotions and interactions of our daily life, or processing up the information and events occurred, which is why dreams appear. Men use 10% more of their brain than women. Female brains are considered smaller than male brains, but the nerve cells and the cortex of brain is larger in females, which allows women to be smarter than men and to work more efficiently. The ability of thinking, identifying, and controlling emotionally using language skills is also greater in women. But the ability to think logically is part of a male brain. Men can perform more spatial activities than women. The brain consumes the maximum energy. The brain consumes about 20% of the energy produced by the body. This energy is used to memorize, sense, manage the central nervous system, etc. Otherwise, it may lead to disorders like a stroke. Different people have different brain sizes. People with bigger heads have larger brains and higher levels of IQ, making them more intelligent and cleverer than people with smaller heads. Einstein's genius brain was different from the other scientists because of high ratio of neurons. The brain feels no pain. Pain is something which the brain gives us as a warning signal of something that has happened, since the brain itself is not a sensory organ but gives us commands through the sensory organs such as eyes, skin, tongue, etc. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.